Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and opening the right pane. Make sure you're signed into your Mac OS user account with admin privileges and that you know the Apple ID email. Once done, open System Settings or System Preferences, then click Apple ID. You're not changing anything yet, you're locating options. This step is crucial because it gives access to iCloud, passwords, and security settings. If Touch ID or a device passcode is set, be ready to authenticate to proceed. Now you locate where Mac OS stores credentials and unlock them. Click Passwords in System Settings or open Keychain access from Utilities if using older Mac OS. When prompted, authenticate with Touch ID or your device passcode. This unlocks saved passwords securely. Once unlocked, search for your Apple ID email or iCloud entries. Look for Appleid or iCloud labels. Make sure to view the password field only on a private screen. You'll see the stored password, or a hint, which explains how Mac OS preserves and autofills credentials. Finally, recover and verify your iCloud password securely. If the password is hidden, click Show Password and authenticate. Copy it safely or update your password manager. If no stored entry exists, start the Apple ID recovery or password reset from the Apple ID sign-in page and follow multi-factor prompts. Make sure to sync Keychain in iCloud and restart the Mac if entries disappear. Troubleshooting tip: if things go wrong, verify Keychain sync status. Then try signing in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.